What's up, you guys? Good morning. This is day 2 in Las Vegas. We are just waking up. We are about to go get some breakfast at Grand Lux Cafe, the one located in the Venetian Resort, since that's where we're staying. So we're going to go ahead and eat. We're going to hit up the New York roller coaster between 1 and 3 o'clock, just depending on when we get there. But you do have to be in line 30 minutes prior to that. But yeah, after that, the only other thing we have planned is the Slotzilla Zipline, the one that goes under Fremont Street. That's at like 6:20, so I'm going to hit up that. And in between those times, we're just going to walk and have a good time and just walk through the different hotels, see different hotel scenery, like the inside and each theme of the hotel. Just walk around, and yeah, y'all go ahead and stay tuned. So we have about 30 minutes until we have to go eat. And we're just going to take some pictures. It's going to be their first time getting pictures, but on this escalator going down, and we will have breakfast in a minute. So it feels absolutely amazing out here. It's about 75 degrees, and it's way cooler than the last time we came here. Like, it feels so good out here today. Like, even in the sun, it feels really, really good. The sun is bright, but it feels awesome. Like, and it's not that many people out, but it's only like 9 a.m. But yeah, it feels really, really good out here today. Wow, so they took a picture right here. This one Sammy Davis Jr.? Wow.
Let me stand with Sammy. So
yeah, let me get right there in front of the thing. So I wanted to drop in and say that Grand Lux Cafe is still the best breakfast we have tried in Las Vegas to date. Gotta try it. It's located inside the Venetian Resort Hotel. So right now we're taking the couple that is with us on a tour through Caesars Palace Hotel. They have never been here. We stayed here last time, but they really wanted to see what the hotel looked like. And yeah, we're just taking them around through the shops and the restaurants. And yeah, they had a really great time just seeing all the sights. And again, because of the extreme heat or cold that happens in Las Vegas, we're really excited and love how the shops and restaurants are all connected within the resorts. So all the hotels are pretty much connected and all the shops are pretty much connected. So it just makes it easier touring all the shops and the gift shops and avoiding the extreme heat or the extreme cold. So this is all still inside Caesars Palace Hotel and Resort. That is his shorts? He was small. Oh, no. Balboa wore Brocky's shorts. He wore his shorts. Wow. That's cool. Wow. So during our tour, we decided to stop by the New York Hotel. Once again, we kind of just wanted to show them around, just taking a tour of the most famous hotels on the Strip. And this one was pretty cool. It was a little smoky though, a little bit smokier than the other hotels, but it was cool. It was really cool to see the how it's set up like New York. So we decided to stop by Chin Chin restaurant. Now this is an a la carte restaurant and it's big portions, so you can pretty much share what you order here, but definitely try out Chin Chin in the New York hotel. So we're just going to tour the outside of this hotel a little bit and y'all just stick around. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm walking into the MGM Grand Hotel. We're just going to take a tour of this hotel. As you can see, I said they're all connected, so we're just walking across the overpass here. But the New York coaster got delayed on a wind delay. It was a little windy, so they shut the coaster down. So we just needed to burn time. And actually it was delayed until the next day. So yeah. It's actually not that much traffic as I thought it was going to be. Really not that much traffic. I mean, it's Saturday and the roads are actually not that packed. All right, we're going up to the zip line. I'm excited. You ready? So we done zip line so many times. It's like not even a big deal. This is small. That was so much fun. I wish we could have went to the end though. Thank you. Funny story behind this, we didn't know that our drapes automatically open. So I tried to adjust it myself and I messed it up. So housekeeping put drape remote as a note. We're just walking in and seeing that. So what you do, you press this. Okay, wait, it's not working. is it not working? It's not working. Zay, how did you get it to work? Oh. Oh, so you hit all. Okay. So you hit all and then open. Oh my gosh. I was pulling it up myself and I just messed it up. That's cool though. So if you just want the sheer, hit sheer and then close. And it'll just close the sheer one. Now you guys, remember I forgot to tell you guys earlier, if this is not a regular refrigerator and we don't have a microwave. So you won't be able to keep your drinks cool. You'll need to get ice, but this is a smart fridge. So any item removed or accidentally moved or just moved, removed or moved will be electronically charged to your suite and be indicated as a refreshment center on your bill. So if you open it and move anything, even if you don't drink it, because my husband accidentally picked this up and he didn't know about it. So he picked it up just to look at it, and you see how this mechanism pops out? That's how they know that it has been removed. So it mechanically knows. So if you don't want to pay an arm and a leg for something to drink, do not touch this. And yeah, this is not a regular refrigerator. You will need ice to keep your stuff cool, and you will not be able to microwave your food at all. So you know how when you come to a hotel and there's so many chairs and so many places to sit, I'm trying to make it my business to sit as many chairs as I can, just to say I sat in them, because like I have not sat in those 2 chairs yet. I hadn't sat at this table yet, so I'm gonna sit at the table and eat my food just so I can say I sat there. And it's really cold in here. I have my husband's jacket on, but I will tell you guys there's only one vent in the room, and that vent is right there. So it's one facing straight and it's one facing the living room, but it is not a vent in the bedroom. So definitely be leery of that. There's no vent in the bathroom, and there's no vent facing the bed. So if you guys like to stay cool and need to be cool, you have to turn the AC down, because it does get hot in here, especially during the day if you have the shades open. So number 1, keep the shades closed. If you are prone to, you don't like your room being hot, and turn the AC down, because there's no vent pointing near the bed. But yeah, I'm making it my business to sit at this table and eat my pizza, just so I can say I sat in every location. Got some pizza here. They burned it a little bit. But I got tomato sauce as a base, pineapple chicken, and then barbecue sauce on the top.